Hey guys, what's up? This is Eddie coming before you today with your market update. Pray all is well with you and your families. It's been a while since I've done a market update, so there's lots of information to discuss. All right, so it's another beautiful day here in Columbia, South Carolina. Once again, I hope all is well with you and your families. Let's take a look at some real estate data. All right, so first and foremost, we'll start off with our active single family homes on the market. We are above 1,700 homes. So this morning we were at 1,739. Median price there is 327,000. If you guys can remember back in May, we're at about 1,000 homes on the market. So from May until now, we've gained over 700 homes. So that's excellent. As far as new homes over the last 24 hours, we have 44. Median price of 275. 114 pending. When we see those three digits for pending, that's a great sign the market is still moving. So median price there, 275,000 again. And then we had 65 homes that closed in the last 24 hours. Median price there is $290,000. All right. So what do those numbers mean? So most of you guys have been hearing a lot of things, I'm sure, depending on where you're getting your sources from. A lot of people think the sky is falling, that the real estate market is crashing. That's not happening. Okay. Let me tell you, that's not happening. All right. So now what we are starting to see is an approach to normalcy. We're starting to see things kind of shift a little back to how they were pre-pandemic. We aren't there yet. You guys know that I've been talking about low inventory for a couple of years now. And we still have low inventory. A balanced market is about 6 months worth of inventory on the market. We are still at about a month and a half. So we're still in a seller's market. It's not as bad as it was, a few months ago where we were at less than a month's worth of inventory, but we are still in a seller's market. So 1.5 months worth of inventory. So you will start to see homes sit on the market a little longer, okay? Doesn't mean anything crazy is happening. It's just normal. All right, 6 months is normal. So homes will start to sit a little longer. You may even see some homes or some sellers decrease their pricing. Now that's just based upon the seller's motivation. They may have another home to go to. They may be on a strict time frame. But as far as home value appreciation, that's expected to continue. So we don't expect depreciation this year, and most people don't expect it next year either. So once we get closer to a 6 month inventory threshold, maybe we can kind of discuss that, but that's not even in the discussion right now. All right. So what else do we have? Demand is still strong, so we still have buyers out there that are looking to purchase homes. That's great. We know that some buyers, took a back seat. Hey, let's take a pause for a little while. That's cool, but demand is still strong. We saw from the 114 homes that are pending over the last 24 hours that the market is still moving. Inventory is still low. We talked about that. Appreciation will continue. So appreciation will continue. I looked at a few different models, and it's expected about 10% for this year. So 10% home value appreciation. All right. And then mortgage rates. Mortgage rates are expected to kind of model inflation. So if inflation continues to increase, it's expected that the mortgage rates will continue to increase as well. So there are some opportunities out there for buyers these days. Like I said, you're going to have more time on the market for some of these homes. So some sellers are going to get a little antsy. May be motivated to sell now. So you may be able to get some seller concessions. Maybe. I would not expect that, but we may start to see that coming back on the market as we get more inventory. As far as from the sale side, home prices are still appreciating, so it's still a great time to sell your home. You may not get the 5 to 10 multiple offers that we have been seeing, but your home will sell. If it's priced appropriately, you have great representation, then your home should sell. So if you've been thinking about putting your home out on the market, it's still a good time because home prices are still appreciating. May not go in the first weekend or the second weekend, but still about a month and a half is about the inventory that we have right now. So your home should sell way before a month and a half. All right. And that's about it. So that's what's been happening in the past few weeks. The Fed is scheduled to meet again. I think the next meeting isn't until September. So with the jobs report and everything that's going on in the economy, it is expected that they could once again increase the Fed fund rate. That's expected, maybe 50, maybe even 75 basis points. So depending on how everything responds to that, we may have higher mortgage rates. We may have lower mortgage rates. We don't know yet. We have a few weeks before that happens. But If any of you guys have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. I know this may seem boring to a lot of people, but listen, that's my job. It's my job to interpret the data. If you have any questions about your home values, about potentially selling, maybe even you want to start back up your buyer search, just give me a call. Anything I can do for you, I will do. As you guys know, my phone number is 803-497-7112. That's 803-497-7112. Look forward to hearing from you guys. Hope y'all have a blessed day today.